Brian comes up to me and is like, "Hey, Bruce, who's this white boy?" And I'm like, "He's no white boy."
So when I first matched up with him, and he was real shifty with the ball, he just shifted one way, went the other way, and I was like, "Who the hell is this kid?" If anything, I don't know if he personally felt like he had to adjust to the tempo of the game, of the NBA, and the physicality of it. Maybe he did, I don't know. But it was really the adjustment for us, because we had never seen a player play with that kind of rhythm before. And he caught a lot of us off guard, me for sure.
Remember, it was a dunk. And after that dunk against the Lakers, he was letting the world know, okay, I like this stage that I'm on, and I'm going to get better at this stage. It's just a matter of time. But as of right now, I
checked into